August edition of the Monthly Fix Planner subscription. If you're new to the subscription, it's a monthly digital planner that you get that includes everything you need to plan for that month, to be creative about it, and to keep your life organized, as well as some journaling prompts that can provide you with some inspiration towards working towards a better you. So let's go ahead and just dive right into the August edition. I have it here in front of me. We're going to just kind of flip through everything. So the first page is the content page. It has everything for you so you can quickly jump to whatever page you're looking for in the planner. All of these pages here are hyperlinked, and then you also have links to your to-do list and your notes, as well as a link to open the planner. If you click on the actual planner, it will pull it up to the first page. So August theme is passion. It's all about finding your life passion and living your life with passion, and how that can lead to a better outlook on life. And so you have your first page, you just have kind of a cool quote over here, and then you have a letter from me, who is the editor, about why I chose this theme and what this month is about. Then next you have kind of a deep dive into the passion theme, and a couple prompts and some journaling ideas to get you started thinking about how this would impact your life and what you can do to better this aspect of your life. Next, you have the 2020 at a glance page, which has, just a quick glance of the year if you need to look at that. And then you also have your future log. I use this to write out anything that's happening in the future, because this is a 1-month planner, and this way you can keep track of things that are happening further than a month out, and you can just copy and paste this into your new planner for next month as it comes along. But having the monthly planner version versus a year planner digitally means less bulk, less space on your iPad, and it also helps you kind of simplify what you're doing. And then, one of the reasons I like it is that the visual theme changes every month, so you get kind of a fresh look and a fresh start each month, which is just really refreshing for me. The next page is the month at a glance page. As you can see, it's already pre-decorated for you, but you have plenty of space to add in more if you want to. So this is the August month at a glance, and then you have the next page, which is your July reflection. This is where you would look back at how the previous month went, what you're grateful for, and then you also have a passion-inspired quote on the other page. And then this is one of my favorite parts about the monthly planner, is the life evaluation page. This allows you to quickly evaluate each aspect of your life and kind of decide what you want to work on for this month based on that information. The next page is the goals for the year page. This is where you would take that life evaluation page and ideas and decide what you're going to work on for this year, how you're going to space it out, what your goals are. And then here is the defining your goals page. This is where you would write down the top 5 goals you want to work on now. And then you can schedule out the small steps of those goals on the next page and decide, okay, this month I want to work on this goal, and then in October I want to work on this other goal, and you can kind of decide what is the most important to you for right now, and then mentally set aside the other goals for another month. And then this page changes each month depending on the theme, but for this month's theme we have a 31-day passion challenge, which is just basically where you would write out each day your highlight, your pain point, and what you're looking forward to. And just writing out these 3 things every day helps you to change your mindset, to evaluate what's important to you so that you can do more of it. What made your day good? What made your day hard? And then kind of move on to, okay, now what am I looking forward to? What's going to be good about tomorrow? And it's doing this every single day, so you have enough slots for all 31 days in August. And then after that, you have this fun coloring page that you can use, just to inspire you. Coloring is really relaxing and calming in general. So there's a coloring page, and then you also have a sleep log where you can keep track of how much sleep you're getting, and then you can see how that impacts your mood on the next page. And this is just a mood tracker wheel and then a habit tracker where you have an area to fill out what habits you're working on for this month and keep track of those. The next page you have a bucket list. We have a sticker insert with a ton of different ideas to fill in this page, but you can also leave it blank and then fill in, your own ideas there. And then you also have your monthly to-do list. And then here we're diving into the weekly pages. So you have 3 pages for every single week in this planner. So this would be the August week 1 page. This spread changes every single month. So this month I really wanted to include these tracker ideas, and so you have your morning tracker and your evening tracker, and you can list kind of the habits and the things that you want to do each day and keep track of them. So maybe this is doing the dishes or sweeping the floor, just small things, but as you do those, they really start to become routine. And then you also have kind of a journaling space, and then these black squares you can either use, as for decoration, so you can add some stickers, things like that, or you can use them to fill in some photos if you want, to kind of make this a little bit of a journaling area as well. And then over on the other side, you have where you could schedule out your tasks and kind of appointments you have for those days. And then the next page you have the meal planner page and the shopping list, and then a blank note page, or a free-for-all page. Put whatever you want on these pages. And you have that for every single week in August. And then you can see all these tabs over on the side. They are linked. You can jump around the planner super easy. And then at the very back of the planner, that's where you have your, first you have these 3 tabs. Up at the top, these are customizable. So this would be like if you want to add a financial tracker or some other kind of section to your planner, you have 3 customizable sections there. And then at the back of the planner, you also have your to-dos and your note paper, which are also linked to at the front as well. So if you need to quickly jump to those pages, you can. So that's it for the August planner. But what you also get with the monthly fix subscription is 4 coordinating sticker kits. So you have something like 400 stickers to work with throughout the month, so you can just go crazy making this planner your own. So let's go ahead and show you the stickers. So this month's theme, or the title of this month, is Let Life Surprise You. And so I actually want to show you the standard kit first. So this is the standard sticker kit. So tons of great options there, a bunch of deco. And then you also have the bullet journal sticker kit. So again, more options and some great functionals. And then your monthly sticker kit. And lastly is the exclusive sticker kit. And you can purchase the other 3 sticker kits separately if you want to, but the exclusive sticker kit is only available with the purchase of the planner. So these extra deco stickers you get over on the side, this is the list in the middle here of the bucket list, and some of these extra headers, as well as the insert pages. So if you like this particular type of planning for that month, those insert pages, and you want to continue using them in other planners or in your next month's planner, you can save those and create an entire library of pages to use for your weekly spreads. So that's it for the August monthly fix subscription planner. Let me know if you guys have questions. I'm happy to help, and thanks for watching.